Picture this. You pop your hood, pull out the dipstick, and the oil looks dark and thin. But the quick lube guy topped it up just a few months ago. Maybe you saved a few bucks going with the cheapest oil on the shelf, but quietly, mile after mile, that deal can mean extra wear on your engine, more heat, more sludge, and a shorter life for the most expensive gadget you own, your car. In 2025, engines are running hotter, turbos are more common, and cheap oil is one of the easiest ways to waste money long-term. This is the Gadget Corner, and today we're walking through my top 5 full synthetic engine oils for 2025, so you can stop guessing and stop using cheap, risky stuff. By the way, every oil and basic tool I mention is linked for you down in the description on Amazon if you want to check them out later, so you don't have to remember every name. Before we jump into the list, let's keep this super simple. What is full synthetic oil, and why should you even care? Think of the inside of your engine like metal parts sprinting around at highway speed, all within a tiny space, hundreds or thousands of times every minute. Oil is the thin film that keeps those metal parts from grinding together. Conventional oil is like regular cooking oil. It works, but its molecules are all different sizes and shapes, so it breaks down faster when things get really hot or really cold. Full synthetic is like a custom-made lubricant. The molecules are designed to be more uniform and more stable, so they resist heat, stay slippery longer, and keep your engine cleaner. That means easier cold starts, better protection on long highway trips, and fewer nasty deposits building up over time. If you drive a newer car, a turbo, or you just want your car to last longer with fewer repairs, full synthetic is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Now let's count down the top 5, starting with number 5 and working our way to my favorite all-round pick for 2025. At number 5, we've got Royal Purple Full Synthetic. This one is like the enthusiast's choice that has slowly gone more mainstream. It's a full synthetic oil that focuses heavily on protection and performance, and you'll often see it in cars that people actually care about, sports sedans, trucks that tow, and weekend toys. If you're a driver who likes to push a little harder on on-ramps, or you live somewhere with long highway stretches and high speeds, Royal Purple can be a great match. The main benefit here is strong protection under stress and good resistance to break down when the engine is working hard for long periods. It's not always the cheapest on the shelf, but if you baby your car Royal Purple or truck and want something a little premium that still works in everyday engines, this one absolutely deserves its place on the list. Sliding up to number 4, we have Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. This is the no drama, it just works choice for a lot of normal drivers. If you're not trying to squeeze out track day performance, but you want a brand that has been around forever and understands real-world driving, Valvoline is a very comfortable pick. It's especially good for people who see a lot of mixed driving, some stop and go, some highway, some hot days, some cold mornings. The big benefit with Valvoline Advanced is balance. It offers solid protection against wear, helps keep the engine cleaner by fighting deposits, and works well in common weights like 0W20, 5W20, and 5W30 that most modern US cars use. If you're the kind of person who just wants to pick a trusted name, use it every oil change, and not overthink it, this is a great set-it-and-forget-it oil for everyday commuters. Moving on to number 3, let's talk about Castrol Edge Full Synthetic. Think of Castrol Edge as the confidence in bad conditions oil. It's popular with drivers who see a lot of heat, heavy traffic, or who own turbocharged engines that can really cook cheaper oils. If you live in a hot state, spend time in bumper-to-bumper traffic, or you're always loading up the car with family and luggage, Castrol Edge is built for those stressful conditions. The key benefit here is strong protection when the oil film is under heavy pressure. That's what matters when you're climbing long hills, towing, or dealing with repeated hard acceleration. Many drivers like it because engines tend to feel smooth and quiet once it's in there. If your main concern is I don't want this oil to thin out and break down when my engine is working hardest, Castrol Edge deserves a serious look. At number 2, we have Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic. This one is especially interesting because it's made from natural gas rather than traditional crude oil, which helps it start out very clean. For you as a driver, what really matters is this. Pennzoil Platinum is a fantastic choice if you want a cleaner engine over the long haul. It's ideal for daily drivers that rack up miles, especially smaller modern engines and family cars that see a lot of city and suburban use. If you're the type who keeps a car for years and puts 150,000 or 200,000 miles on it, using a clean, full synthetic like Pennzoil Platinum can help reduce the buildup of sludge and deposits inside the engine. That cleaner operation means your engine doesn't have to fight against its own gunk. Many drivers also find that their fuel economy stays steady and cold starts feel easy. If long-term cleanliness and overall engine health are your top priorities, Pennzoil Platinum is a very smart pick. Before we hit number 1, notice how each of these oils has a slightly different personality. Royal Purple leans performance and enthusiasts, Valvoline Advanced is your practical everyday workhorse, Castrol Edge shines in tough, high-heat conditions, and Pennzoil Platinum quietly keeps things clean for the long run. So what could possibly beat all of those as a number 1 all-around choice? So how do you choose between these 5 if you're watching this and thinking, okay, but what about my car? Let's break it down in simple terms. If you just want to stop using cheap oil and get into full synthetics without spending a fortune, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic at number 5 is your easy first move. It's the everyday workhorse oil that gives you a big jump in protection and temperature stability compared to conventional. Taking the top spot at number 1 is Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic. For 2025, this is my go-to recommendation for most drivers who want something safe, proven, and easy to find almost anywhere. Mobil 1 has a long reputation in both everyday cars and performance vehicles, and it's used or recommended in a lot of factory fill and dealer environments for modern engines. If you're driving a typical sedan, SUV, light truck, or crossover in the US, and you're using common weights like 0W20, 5W20, or 5W30, there's almost certainly a Mobil 1 option with your exact grade. The main benefit of Mobil 1 Advanced is that it checks every box well. Good protection in cold starts, strong resistance to breakdown at highway speeds and high temperatures, solid cleanliness over time, and good compatibility with modern engines, including turbos. If you want to stop stressing about which oil to buy and just pick a single trusted brand for every oil change, Mobil 1 is the easiest all-round recommendation I can make for 2025. Now, how do you actually choose between these 5 if you're standing in the aisle or scrolling online and you don't want to guess? Let's recap in a way that matches real-life driving. If you're a higher mileage car owner who plans to keep the vehicle for years, and your main goal is a clean engine that ages well, Pennzoil Platinum at number 2 is a fantastic option. Its focus on cleanliness and long-term protection makes it very friendly for engines that may already have some miles under their belt. If you live in a very hot area, do a lot of towing, or drive in conditions that really stress the oil, Castrol Edge at number 3 or Royal Purple at number 5 are worth a serious look, with Castrol Edge being the more widely available everyday option, and Royal Purple being perfect if you're a bit of an enthusiast. If you just want one simple, safe oil that you can use in your daily commuter, your family SUV, or your light truck without overthinking anything, Mobil 1 at number 1 is your best all-round bet. It's easy to find, works in a huge range of cars, and gives you strong, balanced protection. And if you're somewhere in the middle, you want a long-trusted brand that works great for regular mixed driving without chasing special features, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic at number 4 is the one that quietly gets the job done for millions of drivers. The biggest thing I want you to take from this video is this. In 2025, it makes less and less sense to gamble on the cheapest oil your shop offers, especially if you drive a newer vehicle or you want your car to last. Full synthetic oils like these are designed to protect modern engines, handle stop-and-go traffic and highway heat, and keep your internal parts cleaner for longer. Spending a little more per oil change can save you a lot more in repairs and headaches down the road. If you want to see the exact versions that fit your car, I've put links to all 5 oils, along with a basic drain pan, funnel, and filter wrench, down in the description on Amazon so you can check them out or save them for your next service. You don't have to buy anything today, but it's nice to have a short list ready instead of guessing at the last minute. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment and tell me what car you drive and what oil you're using right now. Are you already on full synthetic, or are you thinking about upgrading after watching this? Your answers also help me decide what to compare next, whether it's different oil brands, filters, coolants, or other car care gadgets. If this breakdown helped you feel more confident about what's going into your engine, give the video a like so more drivers can find it, and hit subscribe to the Gadget Corner for more simple, honest guides to engine oils, car fluids, and everyday gadgets that actually make driving easier. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.